Hi, my name is Daisy Cagle, and I'm going to be doing my video on developmental networks. I use the example of SpongeBob, and here's the wild-type phenotype network. You see that SpongeBob activates Mr. Krabs, who represses Plankton, who activates the Krabby Patty formula. So in easier terms, SpongeBob helps Mr. Krabs block Plankton from getting the Krabby Patty formula. So here's some regulatory relationships for the transcription or stealing of the Krabby Patty formula. So we can see that in mutants lacking SpongeBob, transcription of the Krabby Patty formula does occur. SpongeBob blocks the stealing of the Krabby Patty formula. In mutants lacking Mr. Krabs, transcription of the Krabby Patty formula occurs. So Mr. Krabs blocks the repression or the stealing of the Krabby Patty formula. In mutants lacking Plankton, transcription of the Krabby Patty formula does not occur. So Plankton activates the Krabby Patty formula or steals it. In double mutants lacking SpongeBob and Plankton, transcription of the Krabby Patty formula does not occur. So SpongeBob blocks Plankton from getting the Krabby Patty formula. And in double mutants lacking SpongeBob and Mr. Krabs, transcription of the Krabby Patty formula occurs. So SpongeBob helps Mr. Krabs block the Krabby Patty formula from being stolen or transcribed. So here's my first example of a single mutant. In mutants lacking Mr. Krabs, transcription of the Krabby Patty formula does occur. So we know that Mr. Krabs blocks the stealing of the Krabby Patty formula. In this picture, we can see that when you block Mr. Krabs, SpongeBob helps Plankton on accident steal the Krabby Patty formula because Mr. Krabs isn't there to block Plankton. So Plankton can transcribe or steal the Krabby Patty formula. For example, for double mutant, in double mutants lacking SpongeBob and Plankton, transcription of the Krabby Patty formula does not occur. So we know that SpongeBob blocks Plankton from stealing the Krabby Patty formula. And we can see here in this picture that when you take out SpongeBob and Plankton, Mr. Krabs blocks the stealing of the Krabby Patty formula, and also Plankton is no longer there to transcribe or steal the Krabby Patty formula. So a real life connection for a double mutant example is a developmental network we see in Drosophila melanogaster, where nanos protein represses the hunchback protein from activating interior structures, and it does this by degrading the mRNA. And this is similar to our last example where SpongeBob represses Plankton from activating the transcription of the Krabby Patty formula. Here are my sources. Thank you.